Let's look at 5 tips to help you retire with $2 million even if you have a low income. Number 5, start investing now. For most people, the thought of retiring with $2 million is nothing more than a pipe dream. However, it is possible to retire with this much money, even if you have a low income. One of the best ways to make this happen is to start investing as soon as possible. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, and if you invest wisely, your money will compound over time, increasing your chances of reaching your goal. Of course, it's not easy to become a millionaire, but by starting early and making smart investment choices, it is possible to retire with a comfortable nest egg. So don't wait, start investing today and take steps towards a secure financial future. Number 4, have a diversified portfolio. When it comes to retirement planning, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. However, one of the best ways to retire with a comfortable nest egg is to diversify your portfolio. A diversified portfolio helps to protect you from market volatility and reduces your overall risk. When you have a diversified portfolio, you are less likely to experience drastic losses if one particular asset class takes a hit. For example, if the stock market crashes, you will still have other investments that can provide some stability. While there is no guarantee that you will retire a millionaire, diversifying your portfolio is one of the best ways to increase your chances of success. Number 3, start a side hustle. There is no secret that retirement can be a costly endeavor. Even if you have a generous pension or savings plan, the reality is that most people will need to supplement their income in order to enjoy a comfortable retirement. One way to do this is to start a side hustle. While it may not sound like much, even a small amount of extra income can make a big difference over the course of several years. And best of all, starting a side hustle usually doesn't require a lot of upfront investment. So if you're looking for ways to retire with $2 million, starting a side hustle is definitely worth considering. Number 2, find ways to make your money work for you. There are many ways to retire with $2 million, even if you have a low income. One of the most effective ways is to find ways to make your money work for you. This can include investing in stocks, like we mentioned earlier, or real estate and other assets that will appreciate over time. The more sources of passive income that you have, the better. Passive income is income that you earn without having to work for it. For example, you may earn interest on investments or rent from real estate properties. You can also generate passive income by creating and selling products or services online. There are many opportunities for generating passive income, and if you can tap into these sources, you can retire with $2 million, even if you have a low income. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, live below your means. For many people, the goal of retiring with $2 million seems unattainable. However, it is possible to retire with this much money even if you have a low income by living below your means. When you live below your means, you are able to save more money each month. Over time, these savings will add up, and you'll be able to retire with a comfortable nest egg. Furthermore, living below your means can help you avoid debt. If you're not spending all of your income each month, you'll be less likely to build up large amounts of debt. This will make it easier to save for retirement, as you won't have to worry about making debt payments each month. Finally, living below your means can give you peace of mind. When you're not worried about money, you can focus on enjoying your life and spending time with your loved ones. This can make retirement much more enjoyable. So if you want to retire with $2 million, start by living below your means. It's an important step in reaching your financial goals. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.